So I have these Katie old school microtrains tank cars that I picked up from a guy a long time ago at an estate from his wife, and he was a pipe smoker. So the boxes had tar on them. The paper is yellow for the insert, and the cars didn't even run correct. So there was so much gunk on the wheels. So I took the paper from inserts out, and I took all the plastic boxes and the plastic inserts of the boxes and the cars themselves, and I soaked them in lemon juice, according to the internet, to get rid of the smoke smell. And it's very faint now. And I had some gunk inside the journals of the couplers, like the wheels don't roll correct because there's tobacco tar, I guess, inside. So now, this is after one night, they roll smoothly. I basically soak them in this little ice cube tray with lemon juice overnight, unassembled, and then blow them off and put them back together, rinse them off with water before I assemble them, and away you go, and they run nice and smooth now. All right, talk to you then.